Hi, I'm Finn, Tech Lead for LocalGov Drupal. Quick video just to look at how easy it is to enable automated testing on your Drupal.org projects, thanks to the Drupal Association's Gitlab CI template files. There's some really good documentation on Drupal.org under the Gitlab section, using Gitlab to contribute to Drupal, and specifically on the Gitlab CI. If you scroll down here, getting started with Gitlab CI, there's a series of steps of how to copy the template Gitlab CI file from the Drupal Association's repo into your project. So let's have a look at a project here. This is LocalGov Replicate, which I noticed doesn't have a Gitlab CI file, and so isn't triggering any automated tests at the moment, which is a shame because it does have some automated tests to trigger. So following that tutorial, it tells us to add a new file. In this case, we're just doing it directly through the Gitlab web IDE. We're going to call that file .gitlab-ci.yaml, and then it gives us the option to apply a template. In this case, you can select the template Gitlab CI, and that pre-populates our file with the contents of that Gitlab template. In this case, it's just including a bunch of other YAML files from the main Drupal Association GitLab templates. So a lot of the magic's happening behind the scenes, but it makes it super easy to enable it. So let's add an appropriate commit message, adding GitLab CI file to trigger tests. And I'm just committing this directly to the 1.x branch. You could do this as a merge request. But now that has been committed, I believe if we go back to build and pipelines, we should see it's triggered the pipeline following the default templates. So it's going to do a composer install, it's going to run a composer lint, cspell, eslint, php cs, and php stan, and then it will run any PHP unit tests it finds. So simple, right? Brilliantly made easy by the Drupal Association, thanks to them. Do add that file to any of your projects, especially LocalGov Drupal projects.